Don't stop rolling. Stay with me. Target acquired. This one's for the title! Something's wrong. This is my moment! Every year, right here. Next chapter starts now.
Okay, everyone. Today, I am walking you through a few tools you can add to your video generation toolkit. All three work on mobile and desktop, and as of recording this, each one still has a free tier, so let us jump right in. First up is Arena, formerly known as LM Arena. From your browser, just search Kie.ai or LM Arena and click the official result. Here's what the interface looks like once you're in. This platform can do a lot: chat, image generation, video generation, and more. For today, we're focusing on video generation. To get started, tap the play icon, then tap Add Files to upload your image. Paste in your prompt, keep it under 2,500 characters, and hit Generate. It will ask you to sign in at this point, so go ahead and sign up with your Google account or email. Once you're in, generation kicks off. Here's what I love about this platform. Every generation gives you 2 videos from 2 different models. So if I'm working on a longer scene, 20 to 30 seconds, I'll actually combine both results so the visuals switch up and feel more dynamic. Only downside, you only get 1 generation per session per logged in email. Now let's check the results. It will ask you to watch both clips and vote for your favorite. And once you vote, it reveals which model made which video. I went with video A, and that turned out to be LTX2. The second one was made with Halo 2.3 Fast. Honestly, this tool is a solid one to have. It won't give you unlimited generations, but it's more than worth adding to your free toolkit. Before I show you the platform that made that intro clip, let me quickly show you another one. This one gives you more generations per day. On desktop, just search Vibes AI in your browser. On mobile, head to your App Store or Play Store and download the app. Once it's installed, log in. It will authenticate through your Meta account. One thing to note, video generation has moved out of the main Meta AI chat, but it lives here in Vibes now, and your output comes out watermark free. Once you're in, tap Create New. You've got image generation, video generation, and even lip sync on here, though that feature still feels like it's being fine-tuned. You'll see 2 ways to bring in your visuals: upload media if you want to work with your own images, or start and end frame. Let's go with start and end frame for this one. Tap Start and End Frame, then tap Add Start Frame. That opens a new screen where you can tap the upload icon to bring in your image, or just drag and drop it straight in. Once it's uploaded, tap the image and select Add to Video. That takes you back to the main dashboard, and you'll see your image sitting there as the start frame in the prompt box. You can add a second anchor point if you want, but for today, we'll keep it to 1 frame. Under Advanced Options, you can pick your video quality, 480p or 720p. Drop in your prompt and hit Generate. There's also a second route to animate an image. Tap straight on the uploaded image from your dashboard. That opens a different screen where you can layer in music. Just be sure to check that track for copyright first and pick between Auto Animate or Manual Animate. Auto Animate scans your image and animates it on its own, no prompt needed. We'll go with Manual Animate here, since it lets us drive it with our own prompt. I'll drop mine in and hit Generate. This tool moves fast, and you can pull off a solid number of videos in a day. A great pick if you want animated visuals rolling behind your narration instead of full dialogue-driven clips. Now, let me show you the platform behind that intro clip. For our last platform, search Kie.ai or Kie.ai and click the official result. From there, hit Explore AI API and sign up with your Google account. This one is a solid pick if you need a dependable tool to push a current project across the finish line, or if you're after a more budget-friendly subscription. Just know, Kie.ai is a third-party reseller, not the original model creator, so treat it like any paid API service. Start small and don't lean on it for anything mission-critical until you've tested it yourself. As a new user, you get free credits with no time limit, up to 10 free generations, sometimes more, and they just sit there until you use them. After that, you can top up starting from around $5. Here's how to use it. Tap Models Market to see what's available. You'll find models from ByteDance, Kling, OpenAI, Grok, Qwen, and more. Image to image, image to video, text to video, chat, video to video, lip sync, music, all sorts. Go explore it on your own time too. For this demo, let's use Grok. Tap it, let it load. Then scroll down and pick Grok Imagine Video 1.5. That opens a new window. Pricing starts around 1.6 credits for 480p and 3 credits for 720p. Upload your image, then set your aspect ratio, or just leave it on auto to match your image. If you want your free credits to last, stick to 480p and keep the video at 6 seconds or less. My clip for this demo was 15 seconds, but if you're trying to stretch your credits, 480p and 6 seconds is the way to go. I'll paste in my prompt and hit run. Let's check the results.
Hold on tight! Don't stop rolling. Stay with me. Target acquired. This one's for the title! Something's wrong. This is my moment! Every year, right here. Next chapter starts now.
This came out amazing. Camera angles are on point, and honestly, I got my prompt idea from this platform. I kept the same outfit across scenes and it worked really well.
My moment! Every year, right here. Next chapter starts now.
I also tried switching outfits per scene, and that was nice too, but the first one came out a bit more accurate. Once you've got the right tools, video generation gets a lot more fun. These are just a few more solid options to add to your toolkit, so give them a try alongside whatever you're already using. And that's it for today. Hope you found something useful here for your toolkit. Want that intro I showed you earlier? Reach out and I'll send you the prompt so you can make your own version. If this helped, drop a comment and share it with someone who needs this. See you in the next one.